Hello and welcome to all my sweet little children. Now, I know you're all getting ready for Christmas and you're all eager to celebrate it. So, we have made a lot of decorations and a craft that is suited for your Christmas decoration. Let's make a Santa hat today from origami. You see the origami technique. So, we'll need a red piece of paper for that. So, first fold it in half. Then fold it in half again to the other direction. Open it up. So the red color, if you need the red color for your hat, it should be on top. Now the corner, the bottom corner goes and meets the center. Then while holding it down, fold it in like this. So that lower edge comes and meets the middle line. Alright? Okay, then again fold it in like this. Now can you see that there are two little pieces sticking out? So we are going to push down this little part inside, then turn it around, and then what we are going to do is we are going to fold it in like this. From this point, we are going to bring it to the middle, but slightly beyond that. Let's do the same thing to the other side and see if it aligns. Then push it down since it aligns. Then fold it in this little flap. Now fold that earlier flap back and push this in again. Now push it into this pocket here, right? Now this part you can fold down a bit. Now turn it around and see. Isn't that a sweet Santa hat? Now if you make it with a bigger sized paper, you can even probably wear it. So if you take a bigger piece of paper, you can wear it on your head and have fun. You can be a little Santa at home. So my little children, make it and see, and you'll enjoy making it and wearing it. I will see you soon. Goodbye.